Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of group theory, which is asked in CSIR net this 2022. So our question is, which of the following are class equation of a finite group? And this is the order of group, and this is the class equation of that order. So we have to find which of the following class equation is correct. So first is 39. 39 is a group is of form 13 into 3, that is P into Q type group, and we know that 3 divides 13 minus 1. So this is non-abelian group. Non-abelian group. So it is non-abelian group. So number of element of order 13 is 12 and number of element of order 3 is 2 into 13, that is 26. So here the class equation of 39 is equals to 1 plus 12 plus 26. As 12 and 26 not divide 39, so it can be split as 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 13 plus 13. So we see this match this. So this is correct. This is the class equation of order 39. Next we see 15. 15 also 5 into 3 type, P into Q form, and here 3 does not divide 5 minus 1. So this group is cyclic group. So its class equation is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 1. That is all elements are goes in center. So this is not correct. Now we will see 21. That is also of form P into Q, and here 3 divides 7 minus 1. So this is also non-abelian group. So this is also non-abelian group. So its class equation, so number of element of order 7 is 6 and number of element of order 3 is 2 into 7, that is 14. So 21 is equals to 1 plus 6 plus 14. And we know 6 does not divide 21 and 14 does not divide 21. So it can be split as 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7. So we see this matches this 21 is equals to this class equation match 21, C option. So our C option is also right. Now next we see 14. 14 is 2 into 7, that is 2p type group. If the group is of 2p type, then its class equation is 1 plus p plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on. So here class equation is 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the class equation of 14. And here this is this which not match. So this is option is wrong. So this is the solution. So our right option is option number A and option number C. So this is all the solution. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel, and for any doubt you can comment. I will try to reply. Thank you everyone.